Okay, so this is the house that we are building here in Cavite, Philippines.
This is our house. Anyway, this is Nance, our supervisor here.
Hi.
Yeah, let's come inside. I want to show you inside.
Okay.
This is not yet done.
Yeah, it's definitely not done. That's for sure.
Later on, become a living room. This is the kitchen.
Okay, this is the kitchen. This is upstairs.
Good. Almost done. Yeah.
Yes. This is our master
This is your
bedroom. My comfort room. And we are so grateful for Miss Nance. She's doing such a great job.
Wow, we have
a lot to go.
Yeah. Let's go. Tour ko kayo sa aming new house. This is our main door. One inside. This is our living room. This is our kitchen, guys. This is our small CR. The bar. Master's bedroom. Our CR. Yes. And then ito naman tayo sa room ni Ian. Maliit lang din siya, pero pwede na. Ito naman ang boys room. Let's go. Yeah, maliit lang din siya. 2 beds.